Academy, we are conducting a 3-day certification on Diploma in Advanced Pro Makeup course. Today we have Muthulakshmi ma'am and Aarthi who are demonstrating us on the airbrush techniques. As you can see, a bunch of students who are very eager and keen in learning the techniques. So first off, the instructor will take us through the airbrush basics like learning your equipment, air compressor, airbrush makeup system, airbrush gun and the latest techniques. And we also have makeup application on live model and so forth. As you can see, post-lunch is a practical session where the students will be working on the airbrush techniques. Though it's their first time, students were really good enough to grab and observe techniques taught in the first half and imply the same in the second half. Some of the benefits why one should join this advanced course and how different it is from the other courses. Artists can upgrade their skills to next level, gain knowledge on the latest technologies and techniques, help them grow professionally, effectively handling tools and products, building a professional kit. Practical session help them face real-time scenarios.